My name is Maarten Sap. I'm an assistant professor at the Language Technologies Institute at Carnegie Mellon University. When I was starting my PhD, no one knew what natural language processing was. No one understood what I did. And then in the span of the last 2 years, all of a sudden, everyone's talking about the exact thing that I work on. I'm most excited about really studying both how humans interact with these AI systems, but how AI systems can be designed to better interact with humans and collaborate with humans. Mental health chatbots are kind of fraught, right? But they could actually help people. I think there's a lot of need for efforts that are actually democratic to legislate AI systems. It's only been experts so far and non-expert lawmakers that have been involved in conversations around this. And we really need everyday people to participate in that conversation. And you can still decode the explanations, and then you can keep the probabilities of each of these. I've taught a lot of classes on ethics of computer science and ethics of AI. I think it's important to ask, does it actually target a group? Or is it just an individual? There's a lot of challenges in designing a government and a governing system, but ultimately, if these AI systems are going to be used by a lot of people all over the world, we really need to find a way to have everyone's voices be involved in some way. We also want to ask, is this in-group speech, basically? Is this targeting the same group that the speaker might be a part of? I think one of the big advantages of CMU is the size of the computer science school and the fact that it allows for having really diverse groups of people involved in computer science. Even the Language Technologies Institute, but also the Human-Computer Interaction Institute, there's people there that don't necessarily have a computing background, but are really useful voices to be involved. A lot of universities tend to be much more restrictive about what is computer science and what isn't, and we're just saying everything matters. Everyone's discipline is important when we're thinking about what computer science is because it's affecting so many people now.
Basically, we're working on this Reddit data set, annotating a lot of data to build a classifier that enables us to detect stories.
CMU students are quite smart, and the ones that I think do the best here are the ones that are curious.
We're doing some computational social science to basically explore where is storytelling happening.
Having that innate curiosity to understand something and try to maybe make the world a better place, that kind of inner drive is really what matters. There's world-class research that's happening here, and so the conversations you're going to have here are going to be unmatched in terms of intellectual richness and intellectual diversity also. CMU is one of the few places where I feel like my research can be truly valued because it's kind of interdisciplinary and kind of niche and a little bit social justice-y. I'm really happy here. Human-centered and ethically informed AI is what's next in computer science.